Josh with Resort TV1, and today I'm taking you on a relaxing stroll from Saratoga Springs to Disney Springs. We hope you enjoy the video. So looking across Lake Buena Vista at Disney Springs, this is the landing here with the boathouse. There's the balloon on the west side, everything else. And I'll do light narration on this, not a lot. So, but before I am quiet for a minute, go ahead and make sure that you hit like on the video. That really helps us out. If you hit like on the video, they show it to more people. And also make sure you leave us a comment and let us know if you like the narration or not. And also just let us know if you like the video. Also subscribe if you haven't already done so, and hit the bell to get notifications every time we go live or have a new video. So let's walk down to Disney Springs. Enjoy. Oh, and sorry if you hear the wind noise. It is a little bit windy, and I don't have a way to use the stabilizer and block the wind, so. One of the amphicars that you can rent at the boathouse. Actually, you don't rent it, they take you around, but it's really cool. That boat is Paddlefish. It used to be Fulton's Crab House. Reopened the last few months as Paddlefish. These are the boats that take you to the different landings at Disney Springs as well as at the resorts. Old Key West, Port Orleans, Riverside, and French Quarter. we go over to Disney Springs, I want to check out this path over here. Actually, it's just up here. It goes back into the woods and looks like a lot of fun, so we'll check that out. The volcano with the Rainforest Cafe there. It goes off every once in a while. So let's check out this little walkway here. It says closed from dusk to dawn, so probably because there's no lights on it, but it looks like a lot of fun, so let's check it out. Then we'll head over to Disney Springs. Fork in the road, I guess we'll go left. See where that takes us. Sorry about the sun pointed right at us there. Get turned around here in just a second. Guess we'll go ahead and turn around now since we're at one of the resort buildings. That's kind of a fun little detour though. If you're curious as to what this really cool jazzy music is, it's the Disney Springs Marketplace Area music loop, and we actually have the whole loop if you want to listen to just this loop on the channel. Just search for Disney Springs Area Music or Disney Springs Marketplace Area Music. Here we are, the entrance to Disney Springs. The bus loading area used to be down here, and the Christmas tree trail is here during the winter holidays. Looks like they still have the Happy Holidays figure up here with Goofy and Pluto. You can see the Rainforest Cafe, and we're back. So really all you have to do to follow that path if you want to take that stroll that I just did is just walk all the way past the Rainforest Cafe, take a right, past the Designer t-shirt shop, and you're there. Follow the signs to the left to Saratoga Springs. Well, that's all for this relaxing stroll from Saratoga Springs to Disney Springs. We hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure again you leave a like and a comment if you haven't already done so. And make sure you check out some of our other videos, as well as make sure that you check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, as well as WindowRepairParts.us. That's all for now. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.